how you do it. Don't forget our beers are over there. Turn some lights on. Yo, do you want your beer?
I'm gonna go straight that way.
All right. Oh boy.
Lights on. You overheating lights on, motherfucker? Look at that motherfucker, right? Think you touched her out? They're pretty good fucking mud tires, eh, Justin?
Not bad at all, man. Silverbacks. They do well. This stuff is really thick and
nasty, man.
Nasty.
You see pretty quick. No bottom. There you go. I have a glob of mud. There you go.
There.
Is the glob of mud clogging that one too?
I can't even see this one, where this one is. Where is it on here? You probably know better than me. Oh yeah, there you go. It's healthy. Healthy.
You're gonna have to let me.
There it is. Where's this one? Is it completely buried or is it out? Oh, not there it is. And then there was light.
When you do something right, you do it right. Wow, that's good, eh? We got it buried, we got it pushed out. No winch.
Not
These
bad at all.
silverbacks are definitely doing a good job back here. Fucking amazing. I'm shitty on the trail, but man, in mud, they fucking show them fucking. They show really what they're out here for.
What do you think? What do you think about them compared to the
cryptids?
Cryptids, yeah.
Definitely would have got stuck a few times here on the cryptids. Those gorillas definitely pulled through. I'm really impressed with those gorillas. Great mud tire. Machine just has enough power to fucking turn these motherfuckers. But man,
it bogged out a little bit, eh? Like there was a little bit of bog.
This is some thick, nasty shit, man. Like she's grabbing a lot and she's throwing a lot, man. Definitely throws the mud a lot better than those cryptids.
Yeah, for sure.
But like I said, big downside is the fucking trail riding. These are garbage for trail riding, but man, they are a great fucking mud tire. Hands down.
That's good, man.
All right, let's have a beer and a smoke.
Do it.
Put her down.